Hello guys, how are you? Today we're going to check a review from grammar with the topics for and since, one and once. In this case, you are going to click on the correct answer, okay, with the mouse. Why? Because this is an interactive exercise. So you have to click in the answer that you think is the correct, okay? So please enjoy it. Let's practice. 1 week. Sunday. Eight o'clock. Five days. I lost my iPad and bought a new. The black suit is nicer than the brown. There are lots of books here. Which are yours? She needs new shoes. The old are too small. Great work, guys! I'm proud of you. I hope this activity you have enjoyed it as much as I do. So if you have any comment, any question, please comment below here.